the power of the dark side.
Hello, everybody! It's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. And what are we doing today? Well, we're cooking. We're cooking indoors because the mosquitoes outside are crazy. Oh yeah, they're crazy, baby. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to make some Salisbury steak. Now this was inspired by my good buddy, my close friend, Carolina Chris Outdoors. He made some in a Dutch oven. Or no, it was a pan. Or maybe it was a Dutch oven. I don't know, but I know Bill Goudy did it in a Dutch oven. I'm going to use this big old frying pan and my stove because the skeeters are bad, man. They're bad. I went outside, they attacked me, I lost 25 pounds and had to have a blood infusion. It was crazy, crazy. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the heat on. Alright, let's see if we can't get some flamage. Oh, look at that flamage. Look at the flamage. Alright, so I'm going to get the hamburger. We're going to put a big old slab of hamburger in here. And we're going to get her started frying. I'll bring you back with the hamburgers in. Alright, we got a big old slab of hamburger in there. We got her cooking. We already got the pan preheated. Alright. But it still ain't up to temperature. We're going to let this fry a little bit, get some grease going. And then I'm going to put in an onion. And we're going to let her cook, okay? Alright, I'll bring you back in a few minutes. Oh yeah, she's a cooking now. Yeah, buddy, we got her cooking. Got some grease started. We're just going to let her, I turned the heat down a little bit. We're just going to let her slow cook. Get a nice slow cook on her. I'm going to dump these onions in here in a little while. And, well, you know, I don't want them to burn. So we got to let this cook for a little bit first, okay? So I'll bring you back in just a little bit once I flip her over, alright? Oh my. Alright everybody, we're gonna flip this over here. Oh, look at all them juices, boy. See if I can do this without breaking it. Oh yeah. Alright, so now we got that done, we're gonna dump our onions in there. We're going to let them start cooking. Heck yeah. Get our onion in there. Get all around the Salisbury steak. The dark matter chased the onion. Alright, we're just going to let that cook for a little bit. And then we're going to make a nice gravy to go with it. Alrighty, alrighty. Here's some of these onions around. Heck yeah. We're gonna get this all good and tasty. Oh yeah. Give her a flip. Oh, she's looking good, ain't she? Looking good, looking good. Oh, yeah. We're going to put some roast beef gravy mix in there. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. I want a good caramelization on these onions. They're starting to turn translucent. But they're not quite ready yet. Oh, it looks good, don't it? Oh. So I don't usually do cast iron Wednesdays. I don't know why. I cook in cast iron all the time. I just don't. But if you decide that you want to do a cast iron Wednesday, be sure to get a hold of Dee over there at Native Tearz, and she'll throw you in the Cast Iron Wednesdays playlist. She's a sweet girl. We all love her. So check her out. She's a beautiful girl, woman. A lot of fun to hang out with. Well, we're getting a nice caramelization on them onions, aren't we? Look at that. Ain't that pretty? Oh, I just love onions. I'm going to put a little bit of salt on there. Just a sprinkle. Just a little sprinkle when you tinkle. Put a little pepper on there. Just for flavor. Heck yeah. Them scrapings off the bottom, yeah. You know what I'm talking about.
The dark side of the Force is calling you.
Put that over. And boy, it's looking good. I bet this is almost done. Alright, so we're about ready for this gravy. What we're going to do is we're going to pour it right in there. Pour it right in. We're not scared. We're not scared. Heck no. I'm going to get it all in there. Yeah, look at that.
Fear leads to anger. Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering.
3 cups. 1, 2, there's 3 cups. And there it is, guys. We're going to shut this off. And I'm going to remove it and let it rest so that all the flavor can go back into the meat. Okay? And then I'll bring you back for the all-important taste test. Alright, everybody. There it is. Boy, don't that look good? Here, let me get you a close-up of that. Boy, don't that look good? Look at that. Look at that right there. Don't that... That is just... Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, let's give it a taste test and see what it tastes like. Alright, let's try this first. Try the Salisbury steak. Dip it in some of that gravy. Mmm. 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 Oh, it was so good. You guys gotta try this at home. It's really good. And, yeah, it's easy to make too. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side. The power of the dark side.